KuCoin exchange will be launching reality Metaverse token. It will be available on BurningDrop. The BurningDrop, this is how it works. You'll be able to stake your Ethereum and your USDT and your KCS to burn your asset for this token. So this will be available on 10 o'clock on April 5, 2023 UTC time zone, and user can mint this coin by staking their assets. The coin I mentioned earlier. During this burn period, user who have already staked their asset to mint this coin will be enjoying this burning pool, and all time for the announcement referred to this UTC time zone. So these details of this staking product, and you also have to come to this article. I'm going to leave this in the video description so you'll be able to read more about this token. If you stake $100, how much you'll be getting, maybe $100 worth of USDT or KC or Ethereum, how much you'll be getting. Right here, I'm going to go to this BurningDrop. I press this app. Right here, this is where you will come. You said this is ongoing. So ongoing, you're able to come here and stake your, if you want to stake USDT, you can stake your USDT. But if you want to stake KCS, you can stake this. This is going to happen for a period of 20 days. So after 20 days, this BurningDrop is going to end. So if you want to create account with KuCoin, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create account with KuCoin. And once you I'm going to press this. Once I press the amount of quality amount of token I will be staking, and I'm just going to press stake over here, and you need to go back and you will find or come over here my subscription. So you see this your subscription over here and see the amount of token you receive during this BurningDrop. So that's how to participate in BurningDrop on KuCoin exchange. So I'm going to leave this article link, and if you want to create the account with KuCoin, I'm going to leave the both two link you need if you want to try this out. And if you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.